Hello, this is Mehdi from Gartex. Today we're gonna introduce you the latest products of Gartex, which Gartex is bringing you the latest IoT infrastructures. We're working on both sides, software and hardware, and we're gonna to make a good platform for big data IoT designs. So, think about that. What is IoT? First, Internet of Things just recently introduced to the world, and it's about connecting things to each other. Why should we connect things to internet or each other? So the answer is that by collecting data, by monitoring, and by mining data, you can have a good control on all our procedures of the world. So think about that. You have a car. Sometimes you don't know what's what's wrong with your car, and or you have a garden. You just need an automate irrigations, or more complex. You need a full automate industry. So what brings Gartex to you is that first we bring Harvards. We bring Harvards. Here is called Watcher, our hardware to collect data, to gather data from machines, from things. How it works? So, first, it's all designed by two sides. The sensor side, which consists of transmitters and transducers, which designed for spatial steps, such as think about an electrical motor, think about vibration, think about light, think about temperature, and so on. And the other is about sending collected data to the cloud of Gartex. How? Gartex data collected by this device and sent to the software on the database. Software on database store the data in the related database. Then bring you a real-time semi-monitoring system. Think about the production line. You need a full automated production line. You just need the latest numbers. You just need the latest metrics. So you just collect the data, you just watch them, you just want to know if anything's wrong at the moment or not. Then we go more deeper. We go through the details. Think about that guy. You see, he is working. Then he has a stop. Then he had a bigger stop. So you wonder why he stopped more frequently than this guy. So you go through the details and see that between a time and a duration, you haven't any works from this station. This data use the latest tools, but it's not enough. Sometimes you need more data. You need to talk about billions data per day. We talk about terabytes. So we go to NoSQL databases, which brings you more flexibility and more time, and bring you more data. We will evaluate your requirements. If you need specific data, if you need more hardened data, we bring you a good database based on your requirement. Then we go to mining data. Think about that. You have had lots of data. Now what? You make a flow for that data. Here, for example, you have a Gartex database data, which then you brush them up into new data set and then classify them. For example, if you need who is the best person, who is more organized, who is more punctual, you just use classifiers. Or you want to forecast. You want to forecast your productions in the later month. We bring you with Python codes. We bring you with algorithms which forecast your data. You need sometimes go through data. For example, here we need to go to data. Sometimes you need just see the data. Here, for example, you have a time series, and you want to see that why. Sometimes in some weeks you have more production, and in some weeks you have less. How could you reach that goal? By mining data. We bring you with dashboards, all prepared tools to mine data. It consists of forecasting, it consists of classification, it consists of uh, clustering, many tools which makes your pipeline very easy. So start from beginning. You need a hardware to collect data. You need a simple monitoring system. You need a more detailed one monitoring system. You need big data monitoring system. You need mining system. You need your simple dashboard. Very easy. You have two type of APIs. We provide you with two type of APIs, software and hardware. Whenever you want to monitor a hardware, we bring you with a hardware side which is called Watcher. You install it as easy as possible, just plug and play. And then you have a dashboard. And the other side, sometimes you need to monitor a software. We bring you the latest API tools which monitor your data. And then you need more things such as alerting. Sometimes anomalies happens. You're monitoring sometimes a boiling system, and then suddenly the temperature goes high. So how do you know that? By alerting. In any social media, we can alert your audience. Then you need to forecast anomalies. How could we do that for you? By providing you dashboards, graphical dashboards. Very easy, very simple, and the point is that you pay as you go. It means that if you need to monitor a tool for example 20 days, just take this system for 20 days and pay as you go. Why IoT are why IoT and what are the advantages? Think about future. Industry is going to be industry 4. Elder needs care. Cities need to be more smarter. Auto-driven automobiles will come. You need to increase the efficiency of agriculture system. So you need IoT. Here we are. The technology we use. It's an overview for you. Just as you see, we have two types of processing: cloud computing, and edge computing. Sometimes you need the automation on the edge. We can provide you. And finally, we bring this to many factories. All they want was to monitor, but we bring them more. We give them more by providing and enriching data. How we could enforce that data? Let's see. So, be with us in Gartex.ir. Whenever you need a catalog, just call us. Gartex is your friend. We can bring you with the latest models and solutions. It's our pleasure. Goodbye.